How to add extension in Chrome. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. So to use Google Chrome extensions, you have to download Kiwi browser. Open up your Play Store. Now search for Kiwi browser. Now tap on install. Now after installing, tap on open. Now tap on the search bar. Now search for Chrome Web Store. Now open up the first website. Now select the extension you want to add. Now at the top right corner, tap on add to Chrome. Now tap on OK. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a warning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.